back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Eggplant Parmesan today, or Melanzane, whatever you want to call it. Very simple, sliced eggplant, fried, really easy tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese in the oven, bam. It's delightful. Great little starter or a main course. Now some people will put flour and egg mix on them. I'm just going straight fried eggplant. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've got a pan or skillet of some type you're going to need. I've got some oil in there. I'm using just a sunflower oil. You could, if you want, use a olive oil. Now we've got our eggplant and I've sort of cut it into roughly this kind of size. You can cut it thicker or thinner, entirely up to you. In it goes. What we're going to do, really simply, we're going to fry them for about 3 minutes aside. And that is it. It's that simple. Okay, there you go. Nice golden brown. Still got a nice bit of body to them. Out they come. Going to pop them on some kitchen paper. Get any excess oil off them. If you wanted, you could salt and pepper these. I don't really find it that necessary, but go ahead and do that if you want. I'm just going to repeat the process because I've got quite a few more here. I'll see you when they're done. Okay, so in the same pan, I just added a little touch more oil. I'm going to get in some chopped garlic. Now I'm not going to use onions. You could put some onions in this as well if you want, but I don't really want to. So just that little bit of minced or chopped garlic. To that I'm going to add some dried oregano, some salt, which is a pink Himalayan, just if you're wondering. I'm going to add some optional chili powder, like a cayenne pepper or maybe a paprika if you wanted, but like I say, totally optional. Black pepper. Then we're going to go in with a can of regular tin tomatoes. These are whole ones, so I'm going to sort of just break them down a little bit while they're in the can. We're going to cook this now for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, and that's done for me. I mean, if you wanted, you could put some chopped black olives or green olives in there, maybe a little bit of anchovy, something like that. I'm keeping this nice and straight, or maybe a little, splash of wine. That's it. Let's get this sauce onto our eggplants. Okay, so you're going to need some form of dish that can go into an oven. I'm using metal. You could be using glass or ceramic. As you can see, I've put one layer of our eggplant in there. And I've got some grated Parmesan cheese, which we're generously going to put over them like that. Then we're going to get some of our sauce. I'm just going to do 2 layers here because this is quite big. But you could be going to as many layers as you want. We're going to grab some more of our eggplant. We're going to go more cheese. More of the Parmesan there. The rest of my sauce, which is not a lot of sauce because we only use 1 can. And I don't like to drown these in Sauce just a little bit. If you wanted, you could be using more. I just like a touch of sauce on mine. I'm going to go more Parmesan there on top. And then this is going to go in the oven. Now just get your oven to its highest heat. Max heat. Get it in. We just grab some black pepper. I'm going to just stick a bit more pepper on the top. Yeah, maximum heat. Get it in there. For me, this is going to go in for about 6 or 7 minutes in my oven. You know what we're looking for. We're going to kind of melt that down, bring it together. Everything's cooked. Wonderful. See when it comes out. Okay, and there you go. Fresh out the oven. Really lovely. I really love this one. Really simple. I'm just going to finish this with a little bit of fresh parsley, or maybe some fresh basil if you want, but I'm using parsley today. And that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.